This is an emergency notice from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. There is a wildfire in your area. The following areas and neighborhoods are being issued a Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice. All residences on Halderson Road, west to Central Road between Perkins Road and Cantrell Road. Level 3 means leave immediately. Do not take time to gather things or make efforts to protect your home. Go now. Failure to evacuate may result in injury or death. Drive carefully, turn on your headlights, and follow any directions from responders. If you choose to ignore this notice, responders may not be available to assist you further. If you will need assistance evacuating people or animals, call the Lane County Sheriff's Office dispatch at 541-682-4150.